All right, so here we are. We're going to tie her off. We're going to pop this cover off of here. It's probably rusted on. Emergency brakes off?
Yeah, it's off.
All right. So sometimes these have they'll have a threaded piece right here you can screw in like a bolt, but I think we'll just get a hammer and bang around on it a little bit, get a little sledge. Sometimes these have a ridge in these, you guys. You just have to like kind of they usually get stuck right here, and then on the brake drum, the brake shoes themselves can be like grooved. You can see some of that dust starting to come out of there. Imagine you don't have WD-40 and you don't have anything else. You can see this wiggles around a little bit, but if you hold a little bit of applied pressure toward you and tap it, you'll see the thing kind of advance. Kind of work your way around. You can tell the sound of it. So you'll get a lot of this buildup. It's like a brake dust buildup and dirt and corrosion. And when these shoes wear down, sometimes there's a little lip that's created right here and it'll grab it. You can kind of feel that little groove. And so what happens is this outer edge right here where the shoes don't ride. So you could get in behind here and you can take that tensioner from behind and you can send this brake assembly up and get these pads to go in. That's the adjuster right there, and you can get those in. It might come off easier. There's several different methods, but that's usually what I do. Then you can just throw it right back on when you're done without any adjustment. So there's our broken stud. You can see it right here. So we're just gonna hammer this out. Okay, so e-brake is off. We're gonna try to slip this drum back on with the existing, however it was set when we slid it off. There you go, guys. Tire back on, cinch her down, and you're gone. That's the repair.